Hey, man.
Wait! You won't believe what those assholes did!
Who?
Those guys at Top Glamour, they're fucking with me! I brought them another load of watches. They were supposed to give me 200,000 for them. Instead, they give me this hunk of shit. I don't even know how to ride this thing. I had to push it here.
Calm down. Give me the bike. I'll get you your money.
What are you gonna do?
Same thing I always do, Jackie.
Scientifically formulated energy drink developed by top scientists to keep your energy levels top to the max.
As an international sportsman, energy levels are important. That's why I drink Golden Explosion.
Get energized. Drink Golden Explosion. The sportsman's choice.
When you need the acceleration of a true sports car, combined with the luxury of a saloon, when you need the combination of raw
You gonna let me in?
and
All right, come on in.
It's not this fucking guy.
What do you want?
My friend Jackie tells me you owe him some money.
You're sitting on it. And where'd you get off strong-arming me, huh? I know you're a cop.
And I know you're a snitch. You wanna see who your boys killed first?
Fuck you. Kill him! Kill him!
That's it, asshole. Come on, fuckers!
Come on, man, let's go! I'm gonna kill you! You're gonna regret this!
Shut up!
You're making a big mistake, I tell you!
Be quiet! Inspector, I have one of your informants in the trunk of my car.
What?
Yeah, he needs to disappear right now. So either you make him disappear or I will.
Bring him over.
Look, maybe we can make a deal.
You only have yourself to blame.
Hey! Did we stop? Let me out of here! I fucking shit myself! Fucker! Hey, let me out of here, you fucker! My people are gonna cut you into pieces, you hear me? Huh? You hear me, you fucker?
Here's your guy. Hope you still want him. But I don't want this coming back to bite me in the ass.
I'll take care of it. Where he's going, he won't be in a position to tell anyone anything.
Hey, I can hear you! What the fuck are you doing out there? Open the fucking trunk, will you?
Hey! Show the lady some respect.